Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually under the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another update slash unboxing for you, and this is the brand Dossier. Brand Dossier is a perfume brand that makes inspired fragrances from big names, big companies, perfume hits and things like that. They have few perfumes in their lineup. Altogether I think around 30 perfumes at the moment. They will expand slowly, so they are one of those companies that they could go a very long way. In terms of so far, I unboxed and reviewed 2 of their fragrances, and so far they were quite impressive, especially for the price. Around £40 give or take for 50 ml bottle. All their perfumes are quite concentrated, quite long lasting, smell good, and they are good quality. As I said, so far the perfumes were very nice. I unboxed Floral Marshmallow a few days ago, and now I'm giving you the update, and then we are going to unbox Floral Rose. So the Floral Marshmallow EDP, it's 50 ml, is around £40. The only thing is, don't forget that they have promotions most of the times. They have discount codes, coupons, and also a big sale is coming in Black Friday. So Black Friday is the one to watch out for, because they will have the best discount on their website. So if you are interested, you can check them out in that time. So this one is inspired by Kilian, Love Don't Be Shy, and I am happy to say it's quite close. I would say to my nose, for my memories, because my wife had a bottle of this a few years back. From my memory, it is around 70-80% close to it. So when she smelled it, she said the same thing. She said, yeah, it reminds her of that perfume. So this one is inspired by Kilian, Love Don't Be Shy. It's 50 ml, is EDP, and also it's 18% perfume concentration. And that makes it a good long lasting. On my skin went easily over 8 hours. On t-shirt materials goes easily over 10 hours. Don't forget, when I mention these performances, always on me, my nose, my skin, my environment, my climate. For you it could differ. So from person to person it differs in terms of skin chemistry and all that good things. Okay, so in terms of presentation, they are on the simple side, they are on the minimalistic side, which is good for the environment and also is good for our pockets. For example, by Kilian, Love Don't Be Shy, it's around £300. This one is around £40, so you do the math. That is reflected in the packaging. It's very simple, very minimalistic, and I'm happy with that. I always say these things in my video. I would say, give me the best juice in the world, but give me the simplest packaging. I'll be very happy. Give me the more over-the-top packaging, but you don't give me the best juice. It'd be a waste of time, waste of money, and waste of time and waste of effort. So this is up my alley. I love the companies who make them very simple packaging, very simple bottle, very simple boxes, but they give me a good juice, and Dossier is doing that so far. So the notes breakdown for this beauty, as I said, it's a very good performer. 8 to 10 hours on the skin and material. In terms of projection, I had an arm length of projection for around 2 hours, and after that slowly subside. We just have a good bubble, good cloud, and a good trail. I went 10 sprays of it, and 10 sprays of it was ample enough for me to smell it all day. So again, when you buy a perfume, always experiment on yourself. Just try to put as minimum as possible on your skin and t-shirt and see how it performing, and then after that you can slowly increase the trigger. If it's not enough, you can always increase it. Anyway, so The floral marshmallow is the marshmallow on top, neroli, bergamot. We have orange blossom, honeysuckle, jasmine, and orris. In base, we have amber, vanilla, and musk. Yes, all these things I get very distinctly, but obviously some of them are bigger than others. For example, the white florals are dominant, so you need to like your white florals to enjoy this, especially the orange blossom, especially the honeysuckle. So orange blossom is the biggest in terms of the white florals domination, and after that is honeysuckle, and after that is jasmine. But the florals, or the white florals and the vanilla in here, making it very sweet. So this is a sweet perfume. Between 0 to 10 means sweetest is around 7 to 8. So it's very sweet when it opens up. It subsides a little bit later on, but it doesn't go away completely. So the sweetness is always there. You need to like your sweet perfume to enjoy it. As it says marshmallow, yeah, it gives you the feel of marshmallow. It gives you a feel of sweet candy, gives you a feel of maybe some jelly beans and things like that. So in that vein of fruity, sweet, maybe fruit pastels, marshmallow, and things like that. So it gives you that sweet feeling of the marshmallow. It is there. It opens up with a little bit of hint of citruses, not too much. It's a hint of citrus to lift it. Overall, this fragrance I classify it as fresh to semi-fresh, and also this is a floral, sweet floral or fruity floral classification. The musk is always there. It's a little bit musky, yeah, always underlying muskiness, but the musk is very clean. The vanilla is very clean again, and is very nicely done. In here, the vanilla is quite on the modern side of vanilla, which is very big and sweet, but in the same time is very smooth. And also the amber is quite deep and dense and sweet amber in here. In terms of other players, I'm not getting that much. Maybe a hint of orris root here, little bit, not too much. And also in terms of the what they mentioning, for example, yeah, the orris, the jasmine and honeysuckle, orange blossom, I get a big way, and also the neroli. So these four are my biggest players in the whole composition, plus the vanilla. These four plus the vanilla are the biggest player by far. So if you like the description of this fragrance, if you like by Kilian, Love Don't Be Shy, you will like this, especially for a price. If you don't like by Kilian, Love Don't Be Shy, so this it won't be for you. It is very close, about 70 to 80% closeness. Overall, I highly recommend it. Wife loves it because she had the bottle of the Love Don't Be Shy by Kilian many years ago, but obviously we didn't buy it again because it's quite expensive. But now, after this review, she's going to take it from me because she loves it so much, especially that marshmallow sweet white floral feel. This is what basically close to her taste. So highly recommend it. It's very nice, very nice. Smells good, good perfumery and good mixture of ingredients, and also good quality for the price you're paying. Highly recommend it. Okay, let's go to the next one, and this is the unboxing of Floral Rose, and this one is EDP, is 50 ml, and this one is inspired by Le Labo Rose 31. So Le Labo Rose 31, as always, same boxing, same packaging, very simple. It does the job perfectly. Opens like this, the card in here, and also the bottles are all the same bottle but different coloring. In here we have the completely transparent color, no coloring at all, which is good for if you have bright clothing and bright t-shirt and things like that, so it won't stain, and that is a good thing about it. And the bottles, as always, very simple, but cap is magnetized, which is nice, and it says Floral Rose perfume, and this one is, I think, 18% perfume concentration as well. Let's see. Well, this one is even more, is 20% concentration of perfume, which makes it a little bit stronger. So let's see the atomizers. The atomizers on these ones are quite good. They go, you know, they put so much juice out. Look at this. Whoa, very good atomizer. They put so much juice out. Okay, so Le Labo Rose 31, and here we have Dossier Floral Rose EDP 50ml is going around £40. Again, if you are interested, they have always discount coupons and discount codes, and also you know, when they have big sales, like for example in near future, I think in a few weeks time or a few days time, we're going to have Black Friday discount event, which they will have a very, very good discount according to the company. They told me that to let you know. Okay, here we go. So, whoa, bit choky. Yeah, it's a bit choky, it's a bit powdery. It's a white floral dominant again. It says Rose 31. Okay, I'm getting some rose, but the white florals are much bigger. Ooh, this is nice. It's a little bit incensey, little bit spicy. The spiciness and the incensiness giving it depth and complexity. Hint of the dustiness and smokiness to it as well. Let's see what they say in terms of notes breakdown. So on the top we have rose, sentil flow, it is rose and cumin. The cumin is making it a huge depth of spiciness. Wow, this is gorgeous. It's up my alley. I love cumin in perfumes, and this is no exception. It's just giving it depth, giving it warmth, and giving it like a cuddly feel to the perfume overall. In the middle we have vetiver, incense and cedar, and in the base we have musk, citrus and amber. So where is the rose? So according to the note breakdown, there is no rose, and I said this is white florals dominant. Anyway, so I'm smelling white florals, which they're not mentioning in here, but it says rose, cumin. Sorry, so rose is mentioned in here. Rose and cumin. Yeah, rose and cumin in here. Well, yeah, it is coming up now. The rose is getting stronger. So the combination of that rose cumin making it the rose quite not super dark, but a little bit of darkness in here. So it is quite dark, and it's giving it depth and giving it that spicy tinge to it, which is very, very nice. It's just mouth-wateringly delicious. Vetiver in here giving it a hint of greenness. Yeah, it is hint of green, hint of grassy, camphorous, leafy feel to it. Not too much, just a hint of it right now for the first impression. Cedar, yeah, it's very, very woody. And citrus and musk and amber. So citrus, yeah, I'm smelling something like combination of maybe lemon and bergamot together. It's quite on the citrus and zestiness of it. It's quite zesty. And also the musk is on the line. Everything is quite musky, but the musk is clean, and amber is quite deep and dense amber again. But in here is almost no sweetness. So minimalistic on the sweetness, very minimalistic. So it's almost non-existent, the sweetness. The floral marshmallow was very sweet. This one is almost no sweetness whatsoever. The incense is giving it that depth, plus the cumin. The cumin and incense in here are quite big, and so you need to like your incense and also the cumin to enjoy this. The rose is noticeable, but it's not big at the moment. Is in the background, but what maybe later on develop and it becomes stronger. But at the moment, the biggest player by far are the cumin, the vetiver, the incense, the cedar. This very, very woody. It's like a combination of cedar sandalwood to my nose. It's quite clean and woody. And musk is there, but it's on the line. It's a small amount. Citrus is a little bit there, yes, and it's ambery and it's dense amber in here as well. Again, I classify this fragrance as fresh to semi-fresh, and also this is a floral spicy perfume, so you need to like spices to enjoy this. Overall, what a perfume. Gorgeous for my taste, for my age. This is definitely mature. This is definitely on the sophisticated side. I would say this is better for suited for a mature person will appreciate it better rather than youngster. Oh, for this one, for the floral marshmallow, I would think ageless. Anybody can wear it. In terms of gender, it is bang in the middle unisex, but it leans a little bit on the feminine side. And also in terms of season, this is all year round. You can use it anytime, any season, no problem. And also in terms of occasion, it's very, very versatile as well. You can dress it up, dress it down, daytime, nighttime, special occasion, casual, formal, informal, anything you want. This one, on other hand, is maturer, much maturer. I would say at least 25 and up to in safe side, if not 30 years and older. Yeah, because that's a combination of the incense and the cumin in here, making it quite mature. And also the rose in here is a classical rose. It's not a modern rose which is jammy and sweet. No, this is a classical rose which is rosy but understated and also quite on the fresh side of things. Not too fresh, but it is a little bit on the fresh side in terms of rose. So age-wise, I would say this one is 25 and up to in the safe side. Season-wise is all year round. Again, it's very versatile. And in terms of occasion, this is opulence. It's very good for going out, special occasion, evening, close encounter, dating. Very opulent, very well done and beautiful. And in terms of gender, this is again unisex to my nose. 100% unisex. So this one was unisex but leaning a little bit feminine, but this one is completely unisex. Anybody, man and woman, can wear it. But absolutely gorgeous. This is my taste, very, very close to my taste. I love it. So for first impression, I'll give it 2 thumbs up. Yes, yes, yes. The theme in the Dossier perfume seems to be they are very, very good for what they're doing, for what they're putting out, for the price, for the perfumery, for the ingredients, for the mixture of the perfumery in here. Everything is top notch. I'm surprised because I thought when they reached out to me to say, Naz, we're going to send you these to review them, I was a little bit hesitant. I thought, do I say yes or no? Because in the past, some companies who were, again, their sole existence was to be inspired by other fragrances, were a little bit on the letdown. In this case, so far so good. They are doing very well in here, and I'm very, very happy to say they are very good, and I'm quite happy to recommend them, no problem whatsoever. So if you like Le Labo Rose 31, that thing is, I never smelled Le Labo Rose 31, so I don't know how close they are, but on its own, this is a beautiful perfume. Gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous, but almost no sweetness, very minimalistic on the sweetness. Okay guys, so that was the first impression of the Floral Rose EDP 50ml by Dossier. If you have them, if you know them, if you try them, let us know your experience. That would be useful for others to read. If you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable, or entertaining, please don't forget to hit those buttons. This way help me, encourage me, motivate me to bring you perfumes like this in future that nobody else is talking about. They're amazing value for money, they smell great, and they are hidden gems. These two are hidden gems. If you are interested in purchasing one of my own perfumes, I'm a perfumer myself. I make my own line of perfumes. I'm the perfumer, I'm the artist, I'm the worker. So there are true handmade perfumes just for you lucky people in the United Kingdom. I put more than 60% pure perfume oils in my perfumes, which is unheard of, and that makes them huge, bold, big, very long lasting, very thick and dense, and very unique and very artistic. They take you to different places, different time. They just basically mesmerizingly beautiful. Thank you very much as always for watching. Thank you very much for love and support, and I'll see you later. Bye bye bye.